Hello friends, is your battery warning light on? Are you having trouble starting your car at night? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0623, then your generator lamp control circuit is malfunctioning. This issue can cause charging problems, dim dashboard lights, and even a dead battery. In this video, I'll explain what P0623 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0623 code stands for Generator Lamp Control Circuit Malfunction. This means the Powertrain Control Module has detected an issue with the alternator warning lamp circuit. If this problem is not fixed, your charging system may not function properly, leading to battery failure. Common symptoms of P0623. Battery warning light stays on, dim or flickering dashboard lights. Battery not charging properly, electrical accessories malfunctioning, difficulty starting the engine. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0623, check these key components. Alternator generator. Location, front of the engine, near the serpentine belt. Function, charges the battery and powers the electrical system. Powertrain Control Module. Location, near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, controls the alternator and monitors the charging system. Instrument cluster, dashboard warning light. Location, behind the dashboard, connected to the alternator warning lamp. Function, displays the battery warning light when a charging issue is detected. Generator lamp control circuit wiring and connectors location, between the alternator and the PCM or instrument cluster. Function, sends signals to the dashboard warning lamp, battery and battery cables. Location, engine bay, usually on the left or right side. Function, stores electrical power for the vehicle. Tip, if the alternator isn't properly controlled, your battery won't charge and the warning light may stay on. Common causes of P0623 faulty alternator. If the alternator isn't charging properly, the warning light stays on. Damaged PCM. If the PCM can't control the warning lamp, it may trigger P0623. Blown fuse in the alternator circuit. A blown fuse can disrupt the charging system. Faulty instrument cluster. If the dashboard warning light circuit is bad, it may show false errors. Corroded or broken wiring. Loose or damaged connections can cause communication issues. Weak battery or damaged cables. A bad battery can trigger charging system warnings. How to fix P0623. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0623 code and check for related codes. Step 2. Inspect the alternator and voltage output. Use a multimeter to test it. Step 3. Check the battery and cables, ensure they are clean and tightly connected. Step 4. Inspect the instrument cluster and dashboard warning lamp. Look for electrical faults. Step 5. Check the generator lamp control circuit wiring. Repair any corroded or damaged wires. Step 6. Test the fuses and relays in the charging system. Replace any blown fuses. Step 7. Reset the PCM and retest the system. A reset may clear the issue. Step 8. Replace the alternator or PCM if necessary. If other fixes don't work, replacing the faulty part may be required. Ignoring P0623 can lead to battery failure, electrical malfunctions, and a dead vehicle. Fixing this issue ensures proper charging and prevents unexpected breakdowns. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0500, Vehicle Speed Sensor Malfunction. P0501, Vehicle Speed Sensor Range Performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.